In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix allow photo access if missing on your iPhone. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. And also let us know in the comments what more tutorials would you want from this channel in the future. You might be trying to upload on Instagram or Snapchat or just any application for social media and it doesn't have photo access, so you can't upload any photos or videos from your photo album. So there's actually a very easy fix to this. All you want to do is you want to head on over to your settings app. Once you're in your settings app, it's going to look something like this, and all you want to do is you want to scroll down until you see privacy and security, which is right under emergency SOS. So you want to click privacy and security, and this is the area where you can control which apps can access your data, location, camera and microphone, and manage safety protections. So all you want to do from here is you want to scroll down, and under passkeys access for web browsers, you're going to see photos. And as you can see, it says 22 full access, 1 limited, and 2 add only. So I just want to click on that. And from here, it's going to say photos may contain data associated with location, depth information, captions, and audio. And from here, I can basically change if an app has full access to my camera roll or limited access or no access at all.